How to fix Discord microphone not working for the voice call or chat. If any day your Discord microphone is not working for your voice call or chat, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to search Discord there. After you search Discord there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the Discord application for a while. After you tap on Discord application for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information and tap on app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications and then tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you need to enable the allow notification and also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions and then tap on permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the very camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications and photos and videos. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is set as default, and then tap on set as default. After tapping on set as default, you need to enable the open supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of storage and then tap on storage. You also need to check whether there is any cache or not. If you see any cache there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of app details and store. This way your very application will be opened on the Google Play Store. And if you see any update application option there, you need to update your very application there, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.